Where on earth have you two been? We just did the funeral without you and you missed it.
Sorry, we just had other things to deal with.
Yeah, sorry. It won't happen again.
Well, it better not, because you two would be in serious trouble the next time you walk out on someone's funeral.
Look there. That's the gal.
Who?
The fly gal. I swear she's the one behind that murder.
We need to call it off. We don't want to get a risk of the cops find.
Don't tell me what to do, idiot. We have to do this right here, right now. Get the guns.
How are you feeling now, Vana?
I don't know. Probably the same as yesterday. I thought we were going to have a fun time with paper, and Anne's still around, but since they are dead, I don't know I can do...
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Get an ambulance! Now!
Stay with me, please!